Welcome to ABP Live Auto Award 3rd edition, an award for Autonauts, of the Autonauts and by the Autonauts. We have Deepak with us, and congratulations Deepak for winning Design of the Year Suzuki GSX 8R. How does it feel?
Thank you very much. We truly feel honored.
And are you an Autonaut?
Yeah, of course, why not? I think since last almost like 2.5 decades, I mean, cars and bikes, especially bikes, been a passion for me.
So what makes this bike different from all the other bikes?
I think I can sum up in 4 words. So it's powerful, efficient, rider friendly, and versatile.
Okay, so tell me one memory of yours when you were riding a bike. Any college memory?
No, not
Fun
college memory, but I've ridden bikes of late in the last couple of years, so many of them, especially to do with the Busa to, uh, many of the bikes like Intruder.
Yeah.
So the good memory is normally I've driven Busa for long rides, almost like 200, 300 kilometers on highways, and so nimble, powerful, controllable. So basically, when you ride the bike, you have to feel one with the bike. Man and machine has to be together. So if you have a passion, man and machines together basically.
Thank you so much for being here, and again congratulations on winning the Design of the Year.
Oh, thank you so much.